Hello everyone. I will be giving you all a tour of the LiveBinders website. First of all, let me note that I subscribe to a free version of LiveBinders using my Google account. Upon logging in, this is what the home page of the free version looks like, of LiveBinders look like. I'm going to start on the left-hand side of the page. First, the announcement tab displays messages and updates of LiveBinders. I feel this tab should be phased out. The email blast can be used to send out announcements to users. The next tab is the All My Binders tab. When you click this tab, all the binders you create will be displayed in a large work area. When you scroll over a binder that you have created, you are given a small menu in which you can select to edit, open, or other options for the binder. Edit allows you to change the name of the binder under Edit title. Along the top of the Edit mode page, you can add tabs for the binder. This can be used for things like a homework tab, announcement tab, review tab, assignment tab. Let me point out that this site auto saves what you've edited. Moving along, the sub tab button along the top allows you to create subcategories for a class. I would say a sub tab could be a tab for class questions or for sharing videos to help student review. The one thing that I like the most about LiveBinders is the freedom to change or personalize your tabs. Your sub tabs, your base tabs, however you choose. Now, continuing on, along the top still is the edit mode, is the move tab. This option simply allows the user to move the physical location of the tab. When you click on the option you desire for moving the tab, you will notice that the tab has moved. The next tab along the top in edit mode is the content tab, which allows the user to add content to a particular tab. Be sure you are working with the correct tab here. There are several options for adding content to your tabs. You can upload documents, add website links, add comment in text format, embed a link or page, add videos, images, QR codes, add from Google Drive, Dropbox, or binders in LiveBinders. Next is the setting tab. This tab allows you to change the colors, layouts, user access, descriptions, and other aesthetics of the binder. When making changes here, be sure to click Save to apply changes. The last two tabs allow you to manually save and undo previous changes you made in edit mode. Now, to leave edit mode and go back to the home page, simply click My Binders along the top. In edit mode, you can also share your binders as the tab provides you with a link to the binder. Be sure that copying is enabled but you can choose to make your binder private or public. You can share your binders through email, Embed, Facebook, Twitter, Google, or Google Classroom. This is where you will invite your students to access the binders you create. As I head back over to the home page, I'll discuss the remaining features of live binders. Back over on the left-hand side of the user interface, you will see public binders, my private binders, and assigned binders. Again, referencing what I discussed in the share setting of edit mode. This will be how you set your binders to public or private and assigned. Once that access has been set in edit mode, users will see their binders under the corresponding tab. Finally, I'll discuss the tab across the top of the user interface. The new binder tab allows you to create a new binder. For example, you may want to create multiple binders so that each class is separated, especially if you teach a number of different preps or subjects. Next, the new Shelf tab. The new Shelf tab allows users to create an entire new set of binders. This can be used for after-school program purposes, or like in my opinion, the Uploaded File tab allows you to manage and view files you have uploaded to your binders in the past. Binder Stats is simply a tab to give you information of which binders have the most views. This may give you an idea of which classes are most engaged and active in using this tool. The View Comments tab allows you to see who has commented in your binders. And of course, the Deleted Binders tab allows the user to see the binders they have deleted and are no longer viewable on the interface. Leaving the My section at the top and moving over to the Feature tab allows users to see some of the most popular binders created on live binders. You will see several categories of binders, from educational subjects like stars and the solar system, explaining the weather and climate, to parents' resources, to teacher resources. This feature section is my favorite part about live binders. I feel like these binders give you a great resource for how to set up your binders. Overall, I am pleased with the usefulness of live binders. I feel like educators can use this tool in the classroom and lead engaging lessons while having a central point for all the classroom resources such as website and video links. I also feel that students who work well independently will benefit greatly from live binders. Education can put an entire lesson or unit in live binders, and students can be free to work on modules at their pace. Again, I am pleased with live binders. Aside from the lack of appeal in the user interface, if you have any question, don't hesitate to comment. Thanks for watching.